Hello everyone, welcome to Back Tech Product. In today's video, I will show you the best 140mm RGB PC case fan, the NZXT F140. It's stylish, powerful, and whisper quiet. So stay with us for all the exciting details. Let's get started. Product features: stunning RGB lighting customization. The NZXT F140 comes packed with 18 individually addressable RGB LEDs. You can create vibrant effects or soft ambient glows that match your build's theme. It's perfect for gamers who love personalizing their rig with dynamic lighting and cool visual vibes. Quiet operation for maximum focus. No one likes fan noise while gaming or working. The NZXT F140 is engineered for silent performance. Its blade design balances airflow and pressure, keeping your PC cool while staying ultra quiet. Ideal for streamers, gamers, or silent PC enthusiasts. Seamless control with NZXT Cam. Customization made easy. With NZXT Cam software, you get full control over your fan's lighting and performance. Sync it with your other NZXT gear for a unified look, all from one clean, intuitive platform. No hassle, just simple syncing. A sleek, modern look. Not just performance, this fan also brings serious style. The clean, minimalistic design paired with glowing RGB makes your case stand out. Whether you're going for a futuristic or elegant look, the NZXT F140 fits right in. Pros: high-performance cooling with low noise. Vibrant and customizable RGB effects. Compatible with NZXT Cam for easy setup. Stylish and minimal design perfect for modern rigs. Great airflow and pressure balance for all case types. Cons: NZXT Cam software is required for full control. Slightly more premium priced compared to basic fans. Needs a compatible RGB header or controller for effects. RGB brightness may be too strong for minimal setups. Final thoughts: the NZXT 140 is more than just a fan. It's an aesthetic upgrade for your entire build. If you want silence, performance, and glowing beauty in one package, this fan is a solid pick. Perfect for gamers, creators, and anyone who values a clean, cool setup. If you want a fan that delivers on both looks and performance, this is the one. Check the price link in the description. Subscribe to Tech Product and like this video for more awesome PC gear content.